Hello, everyone, and welcome to How to Get an Entry-Level Job in Cloud Computing. This is my course that I designed for you, so welcome. And first thing that I would like to say is thank you. Thank you for giving me your time. The money's nice. I appreciate you purchasing the course. I appreciate it. But most importantly, the best thing you can do, or what I appreciate most, is the fact that you're giving me your time. Obviously, as the title suggests, the course is designed to help you get an entry-level job in cloud computing. It's not that this course won't be helpful for pretty much any technology-specific job that you might want to get into, but this is specifically designed to get you an entry-level job in cloud computing. Now, this is the primary objective that we're going to keep in mind, and the rest of the course is designed with this one main objective in mind: how to get you employed, how to get you a job in cloud computing. Not necessarily anything else. There you will find plenty of other courses who will teach you technical skills, who will teach you even soft skills and other things like that. But one thing that I saw lacking, and which is why I ended up designing this course, was that they don't keep the objective zero in mind. Always, as programmers, we count starting from zero. That objective should always be how to get a job. Even if, let's assume for argument's sake, you took a lengthy course in programming or cloud engineering or whatnot, and you got a completion certificate, that doesn't mean you'll be employable. Objective should be, and you should always begin with the objective in mind, is that how to get employed in cloud engineering. And in order to do that, I will teach you multitude of skills. These include programming. Obviously, you need a little bit of programming, and don't worry, if you are not a programmer, or if you don't know any programming languages or programming skills, I'll teach you everything that you need to know. I'll teach you cloud engineering. I'll teach you software development practices. And you must be thinking, Faisal, this is a tall order. How are you going to teach me all this? And I would agree. It's a very tall order. I can't teach you all of this. But remember, when I started this course, what did I say? We should keep the objective in mind. How much do you need in order to be employed, in order to get a job? And that's what I'm going to teach you. I'm not here to teach you all about programming. That's impossible. Nobody knows everything. Same thing, I'm not here to teach you everything about cloud engineering. That's not possible. But this course is designed to teach you enough so that you can start working. That's the objective. The top row that you see right there are skills that are hard skills: programming, cloud engineering, software development, etc. The skills that you see on the bottom are soft skills. Soft skills including communication skills. I wish I could tell you that you could sit somewhere, write a bunch of code, and you would be employable, but I'm afraid that's simply not true. You need communication skills. You need to know how to present. You need to know how to talk. And you need to know how to present tough technical ideas to sometimes a non-technical audience. Communication skills are very important. Positive thinking. One thing you will find as you start getting into cloud engineering or even any new endeavor is that you will start to experience imposter syndrome. Perhaps you don't belong here. Perhaps this is too much. I can't do this. I'm not worth it. Blah, blah, blah. All this negative self-talk can be extremely detrimental to your pursuit of what you want to do. I'm going to equip you with the skills that you need, positive thinking skills that you need, so that you don't get in your own way of achieving your objectives. I'm also going to teach you networking and personal branding. And these soft skills and other things are what I see sorely lacking in some of the other courses that are all over the place. One of the things that you need is networking and personal branding, meaning that just because you are a cloud engineer or you want to be a cloud engineer doesn't mean that other people know about you. You should try to brand yourself and network and tell others about yourself. Toot your own horn a little bit. I'm going to teach you that. Finally, job searching, resume writing, mock interviewing, all of that. And many, many more skills I'm going to teach you in this course. So I hope that you join me in this course. I think it's going to be a wonderful, terrific, exciting journey, and I'm excited to take this journey with you. Let's get to it.